Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Vanguard Personal Investor, UK. Vanguard Personal Investor, UK, offers a platform for UK residents to invest in a range of funds and ETFs. It's aimed at individual investors, from beginners to those with more experience, who want a relatively low-cost way to manage their investments. Key features include online account management, access to various investment products, and detailed reporting tools. Their website provides details on the available investment options and fees. Their website highlights its competitive pricing structure, emphasizing low fees and the absence of hidden charges. They stress the ease of use of their platform for both beginners and experienced investors. Availability is limited to UK residents. You can check their eligibility requirements on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Vanguard Personal Investor, UK. Getting started was surprisingly straightforward. The online registration process was clear and concise, and I was able to set up my account and link my bank account within about 15 minutes. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The dashboard displays my portfolio performance clearly, and I found it easy to research and invest in different funds. I particularly appreciated the detailed transaction history and the ability to easily download my statements. The platform performed flawlessly throughout my use. I experienced no lag or glitches. I had a quick question about tax implications, and their support team responded within 2 days via email, providing a helpful and clear answer. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, making it easy to monitor my investments. The standout feature for me was definitely the low fees. It's significantly cheaper than other platforms I've used. One minor drawback was the limited research tools available compared to some competitors. It lacked detailed company analysis, relying more on fund prospectuses. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Vanguard Personal Investor, UK. It's a solid platform for those looking for a cost-effective and user-friendly way to invest. That's my overview of Vanguard Personal Investor, UK. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.